Hey, what's up YouTube? Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo here, and we are at Lake Del Valley State Recreation Area. It is park US-3455. I have no internet here though, so I can't spot myself. We just got set up. We got the chameleon over there. There's the lake out behind us. Got the laptop and the Yaesu FT891. I'm just using a 12 amp hour battery. I haven't done this park yet. I am up here because my wife's having surgery and she's back at the hotel room resting after surgery. So I decided to come out and do a POTA activation at a new park for me. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get some people coming back to me without being able to spot myself.
Whiskey 7 Mike Tango Hotel.
Whiskey 7 Mike Tango Hotel 5555 into park US-3445 3445 in California. Over.
Hey, thanks for the 55 and 3445. I got you about 57 up in Seattle.
Roger the 57 Seattle. Hey, do you happen to know how to spot on the POTA app? Over.
Yeah, I can give you a spot.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I have no internet or cell phone service out here. Hey, thanks for hunting and thanks for spotting me. You have a good Tuesday. 7-3.
7-3.
Kilo Echo 5, Yankee Charlie.
Kilo Echo 7 station.
Whiskey 7, Delta Golf Mike.
Whiskey 7 Delta Golf Mike. I got you at a 5757 into US-3455 3455 in California. Over.
Yeah, Roger. You're 57 into Lincoln, Montana. Over.
Roger 57 into Lincoln, Montana. I stopped there for gas once on my way to Chicago. Thanks for hunting. Have a good Tuesday. 7-3.
73.
QRZ.
Kilo Echo 5, Yankee Charlie.
Kilo Echo 5, Yankee Charlie 58 into US-3455. Over.
Yeah, good afternoon, Mike. Hey, great to hear you today. 5959 here in New Mexico. Thanks so much.
Roger the 59 New Mexico. Hey, thanks for hunting. Have a good Tuesday. 7-3.
7-3.
This is.
Bravo 2, Sierra X-ray, Tango.
All right, Kilo Bravo 2, was it Sierra X-ray Tango? Over.
Kilo Bravo 2, Sierra X-ray, Tango.
All right, Kilo Bravo 2, Sierra X-ray Tango. I've got you at a 57 into US-3455. Over.
Roger, thank you. You're 5555, New Jersey, over.
Roger the 55 into New Jersey. Hey, my furthest east so far. Thanks for hunting. Have a good Tuesday. 7-3.
Whiskey Bravo 9 Kilo Foxtrot Alpha Park.
Was that Kilo Bravo 9 Kilo Foxtrot Alpha?
Whiskey Bravo 9 Kilo Foxtrot Alpha.
Okay, I typed in Whiskey Bravo and I said Kilo Bravo. Man, it's a tough day. You're a 5555 into US-3455 3455 in California. Over.
QSL, you are a 55 into US-0287.
Roger 0287, also 55 Two Rivers National Wildlife Refuge in Illinois. Hey, thanks for the park to park. Good luck on your activation in 7-3.
Good luck to you as well. Victor Alpha 6 Charlie Bravo Zulu.
Station starting in Victor only. Victor station.
Victor Alpha 6 Charlie Bravo Zulu.
Victor Alpha 6 Charlie Bravo Zulu 55 into US-3445 3455 in California. Over.
56 into Calgary, Alberta.
Roger the 56 into Calgary. Hey, thanks for hunting. Have a good Tuesday. 7-3. Roger that. Thanks a lot. Kilo 3 India Victor 55 into US-3455. Over. Was that Kilo 3 India Victor in New Mexico?
QSL.
All right, you dropped down there a bit. I think you said 55 also, Roger?
Actually a little better. 5 and 6, 5 and 6.
All right, 5. So there you go. You came back up that time. I thought someone else came back to me. It sounded so different. Bands up and down. Hey, good to work you again. I'm at a new park today for me. I haven't been here yet. Over.
Well, that's cool. I hope it's a nice one.
Roger that. Pretty good. Just no self-service. Hey, good to work you again. Have a good Tuesday. 7-3.
7-3.
All right, Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA QRZ.
Victor America 7, Lima Tango Extra.
Victor America 7 Lima Tango X-ray 59, loudest so far into US-3455 in California, over.
Oh, a great signal today into the Vancouver area, Mike. Good to hear you again. I think this is a new park too. 5-9 in Western Canada. 7-3, and we'll get you posted.
Hey, I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Good to work you again. 7-3. This is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA QRZ.
2 Delta Alpha X-ray.
Dax, I didn't get the first part. Is it Whiskey 2 Delta Alpha X-ray?
Whiskey 2 Delta Alpha X-ray.
All right, roger that, Dax. 5-7 into US-3455, over.
QSO, I also have you 5-7 in between lightning crashes here in Colorado.
Yep, I'm hearing them out here too. Hey, good to work you again. This is probably a new park for us anyways, my first time here. Have a good one, 7-3.
Have a great activation, sir. 7-3. Park to Park, November 8, Juliet Oscar.
November 8, Juliet Oscar, Park to Park, 5555 into US-3455, 3455 in California, over.
3455, and you are also 55, and I'm at US-3305, Bay City, Michigan, Roger.
Roger, 3305, Bay City State Recreation Area. Thanks for the Park to Park. Good luck on your activation, and 7-3. All right, YouTube, Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo here. I just finished up with the activation at US-3455. Only got 14 QSOs, but we only here for about a half hour. No internet, so I'm not able to spot myself. And don't want to leave Corey alone too long at the hotel, being that she's recovering from a hip replacement. Yep, 49 years old and already needing a hip replacement. So we brought out the trusty Chameleon CHASS-25. I did make 14 contacts on 20 meters. I did put the 40 meter coil on, called for about 10 minutes, no one came back to me. I did hear a really loud group of guys having a QSO on 7.263, but I wasn't gonna break in. So I was hearing pretty well on 40, just nobody on 40. Hey, there's a little Blue Jay right there. Hey, Blue Jay. So we I got the Chameleon antenna today. We're only using a 12 amp hour battery. Bought the ICOM ID52 Alpha, although I'm down at this lake here with mountains surrounding us, so doubt I'm going to get anybody on 2 meter calling frequency. And then the FT891. So I'm gonna pack it up now and head back to the hotel. It's only about 15 miles, but it's about a 30-minute drive because the 580 is crazy right now. Anyways, 7-3 for now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo, clear. Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA CQ Parks on the Air for Park United Sierra -3408. That is Bethany Reservoir State Recreation Area in California. This is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA QRZ.
CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air, and standing by for a call. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air from Whiskey 6
She gave me the peace sign.
Calling CQ POTA,
Hey, what's up YouTube? Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo here, and today we are at US-3480. That is Bethany Reservoir State Recreation Area. Not sure if I'm still in Alameda County or not, but it's in California off the 580. And so we're set up here. I got my broken laptop. I somehow broke my screen yesterday. Running the Yaesu FT891, just running a 12 amp hour battery, and then the Chameleon CHASS-25. It's supposed to be 100 degrees here today, so trying to make a quick activation and get packed up. I was on 40, not hearing anything. I'm going to retune for 20 right now, so stand by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Delta 7, Delta Golf Kilo.
Kilo, Delta 7, Delta Golf Kilo, 57 into US-3480, Mike.
You're 5-7 again, 5-7 here in Phoenix, Arizona.
Roger, 5-7 into Phoenix. Hey, thanks for hunting. Have a good Wednesday, 7-3.
All right, 7-3, Mike.
Was that Kilo 7 Papa Mike QSL?
QSO, 59, CA3360. QSO?
Roger that. Also 55 into US-3408. Roger.
Roger. Thanks for the contact today. 7-3.
Thanks, Pamela. Good luck. 7-3. This is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA QRZ. Kilo Golf 7 Whiskey Tango 5252 into US-3408. Judith. All right, thanks for hunting. Have a good Wednesday. 7-3. All right, this is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA CQ Parks on the air from Park US-3408. This is Whiskey 6 Ocean Baker Baker calling CQ POTA CQ Parks on the air and standing by.
Kilo 7 Uniform Delta Quebec.
Kilo 7 Uniform Delta Quebec, Tom in Washington 57 into US-3408. Over.
Yeah, I got you about a 5-9.
Roger, 5-9. Hey, thanks for hunting and have a good Wednesday. 7-3.
7-3.
All right, this is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA CQ Parks on the air from Park United Sierra 3408. This is Whiskey 6 Ocean Baker Baker calling CQ POTA CQ Parks on the air and standing by.
Whiskey Charlie, 7 Foxtrot.
Whiskey Charlie 7 Foxtrot 55 into US-3408. Gerald.
You are also 55, state of Idaho, over.
Roger, 55 into Idaho. Hey, thanks for hunting and have a good Wednesday. 7-3. All right, this is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA QRZ.
Delta 7, Delta Papa Sierra.
Kilo Delta 7 Delta Papa Sierra. I've got you at a 5656 into US-3408, 3408, David.
You're about the same here, about a 5-6 here.
Thanks for Arizona. 7-3. This is Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo calling CQ POTA QRZ. All right, YouTube just finished up US-3408 Bethany Lake Reservoir or something or other. It's a big reservoir over there. So we only made 12 QSOs, but it's getting hot fast. It's supposed to be 101 out here today. So I'm packing up. We're all finished up. Gotta break the antenna down. So turn the radio off. And we'll get out of here. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. 7-3 Whiskey 6 Oscar Bravo Bravo clear.